Welcome friends, I'm Helena, and in today's episode, we're going over our guide on the best masks to use in Lightroom in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, mastering masks can take your editing skills to the next level and give you that personal signature to your photos. In this video, we'll explore 3 essential masks that every photographer should know how to use, along with the innovative AI mask introduced in the latest Lightroom update. Before we dive into the masks themselves, let's talk about what masks are and how they work in Lightroom. Masks allow you to selectively apply edits to specific areas of your photo, giving you precise control over luminosity, colors, or other adjustments. First, we have the graduated filter mask, or some people call it the linear mask. This mask is perfect for making localized adjustments to exposure or contrast. You can even create a fog effect with it. If you're curious, we have a video around that as well, but for now, let's simply drag the mask across your photo to create a gradual transition between affected and unaffected areas, and then we'll adjust it as we please. Next up, we have the Radial Filter Mask. This tool is ideal for adding vignettes, spotlight effects, and directing the viewer's attention to specific areas of the photo. By adjusting the size, feather, and opacity of the radial filter, you can achieve a variety of creative effects. For example, we like to use it to bring more color or brightness to a specific area in a landscape photo, as seen here. Moving on to the Adjustment Brush Mask. This versatile tool allows you to paint adjustments directly onto your photo with precision and control. Use it to brighten eyes or teeth, enhance details, or add selective color effects to your picture to make it pop and make the viewer feel like that is the main subject of your photo. And now let's talk about the latest addition to Lightroom's masking arsenal, the AI mask. This innovative feature uses artificial intelligence to analyze your photo and automatically create masks for specific elements, such as the sky, subject, or background. You can find them all here in the right panel. You can select which one works best for you and start adjusting it. And before we wrap up, our #1 rule when playing and editing with masks is to always adjust the opacity and feathering of your mask in order to create that natural looking edit, while refining the edges can ensure seamless transitions between masked and unmasked areas. And there you have it, the best masks to use in Lightroom, including the groundbreaking AI mask. With these tools at your disposal, you'll have the power to transform your photos and give them that personal touch. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And until next time, happy editing!